Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem code in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Wondershare Filmora application with 14 version. And then if you want to redeem a code, you need to log into Filmora with your Filmora account. And I have already logged in, as you can see. And we can go to our account by clicking on this menu, and then you can choose redeem member menu, and then you can enter your code, then just click on submit, and don't forget to read the notes here. Okay, that's how you see it, right? You just need to go to your account and then you will be able to redeem your membership. Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem code in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!